Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I've decided to start this vlog now because I cannot, yeah, that's a good view, because if I don't start this vlog now, I won't have an introduction. So today is a public holiday on a Friday, so I've come to the farm. The last time I was in this farm is the time we were planting. If you watched my video of family work-life balance, we were planting maize and everything. From that time, is it 2 or 3 months ago, I've never been here. So I've taken this opportunity for this holiday to come to my farm to see what is happening, because where I've been told like there have not been enough rain, so some things have not done well. But now today we have come because we are harvesting beans, and then we got to see the other things. So guys, let's do this. Yes, today I was the driver. Yeah, okay. So guys, this is the farm. This is my maize. I think I'm going to get some maize to cook, but you can see the workers have already harvested the beans. Just a minute. So basically that's the maize. There was a part that they called the blind landed on it from the mountain, so ilichoma mahindi yote. So there is a part where the maize have done well. There are other parts that it has not done well, but we thank God that we're going to get enough maize for ourselves. On the trenches, I have planted sweet potatoes. You can see the raised trenches. I've planted sweet potatoes. It's a mixed farming. There is those are my pawpaws. They are doing well. And then you can see I have a lot of lemon. I've not harvested lemon in this tree for the past like 4 or 5 months, so there were a lot. I don't know if you can see them, but yes, there were a lot of lemons there that I'm going to harvest. So yes, it was just a good thing. And then you can see the maize. We were going to harvest enough maize for us to cook. You can see we have they are ready, like they were ready. Some were ready, some were not. You can see the way my sweet potatoes were doing very well. Like I transported this potato from Moranga all the way to this land in Machakos. So the weather here is so good because so many things do very well in this farm. You can see I even have cassava. Wow. This cassava, I'm just so proud that the cassava has done so well. On this other side, you can see I've planted cowpeas. Mbaazi. Is mbaazi cowpeas? Yes, this is what cowpeas or pigeon peas. I'll check it out. So I have planted the cowpeas on this side and will be harvesting them in 1 or 2 months or so. And then on the deep trenches, I've planted bananas. You can see there is a section that bananas are not full. On this other side, what I'm showing you is green grams and kunde. So this is how they look on the farm. Those are kunde. And then on the other one are the green grams, that is dengu. So it's a whole mixed farming. It does very well. And actually this section that is not fertile, the kunde and the green grams and then the pigeon peas does very well. You can see my bananas. My bananas are doing so well. I transported this banana all the way from Meru to here. I have like 25 suckers of bananas, so I'll be harvesting and selling bananas once they are done. You can see the way my mbaazi, the cowpeas are doing very well, and the sweet potato. So, and in the next like 1 month, there will be a lot of harvest. Mainly we farm for our household use and giving our parents and friends. You can see my mango tree was doing very well. I thought by this time they will be ready for harvesting, but unfortunately, yeah, I was over ambitious. They need like 2 to 3 months for them to be ready for harvest. But yes, let me tell you, this is mapera
guava
tree. Kwenyu kuna guava, Guava. Na wameachilia ziharibike. This is guava. Huh? Iko na mdudu. Wacha niangalie. Ona guava. Yani this place there is machungwa, there is oranges, there's guava. There is no any problem. Yeah, food. That's why they have allowed these guavas to
Ukambani.
Nitakula hii bichi. I'm going to take I'm harvesting. It's not my farm. I'm harvesting and we are going to take guava juice, ndio? Guava juice. Let me confirm kwanza. Haina wadudu. It's okay. It doesn't have a worm, but worms are good. And then
Tatamu.
This one you just eat with tumeweka mkono. Tumeweka mkono.
Wapi? Nikat.
Usikat. Waonyeshe. Waonyeshe venye ni mingi. I'm telling you, these people are not hungry. Ebu waonyeshe zenye ziko chini. Ebu si. Ukashindwa kwenda kwa choo. Ebu ona, aki imeharibika.
Inaharibikia kwa mti.
Wameziachilia.
Hakuna watu wa kukula.
Hakuna watu wa kukula. Now you see, hebu nionyeshe ukiwa hapa. Now I've put a turban to protect my hair from dust. Now you see the problem where there are no kids to eat. Like the guavas are just getting spoiled. Now us, we are the big kids. We have come to eat. We'll ensure we harvest these tree clean. Sindio? And
umeingia kula mapera.
Na ni mob.
Hakuna watoto. Jo, imagine venye wameharibu.
Sasa watoto serious.
Mbona venye zimeharibika. Sasa sisi ndio watoto tumekuja kukula to harvest.
No, zinaangukanga chini.
Abwana
Ni mob zinaivia kwa mti.
Sisi ndio zile tulikula ile siku.
Na Mungu tuletea.
Sasa sisi tutaweza aje? You can imagine nani alikuwa amepanda kutuchunia.
Yaani unapea kuku mapera.
Si kuku kula mapera.
Ni harvest zote nini nikatengeneze juice.
Tutazi harvest.
Mtu alikuwa ana harvestia ni daddy. Sasa tukamwambia atune ngapi. Sisi tukanyamaza. Ona hizi nataka kuchoi. Wewe unakula ama ukuli? Wewe una record.
Mimi nishakula.
Hii ni mbovu. Hii ni mbovu.
Yenye inakuenjoy ni overripe ni mbaya.
Na ndimu.
Nini?
Hiyo
shamba siko na ndizi nyingi.
Sana na mzuri. Ebu ona kwanza mandimu pale. Ebu ona.
Na kama machungwa.
Wacha tanijaribu Ebu ona.
Harvest hizi. Lakini sasa nitakuja kukata hii ndimu juu ya hii katikati yangu hapa.
Usikate hapana.
Tutakuwa tunatoa ndimu wapi ukikata wewe? Mchungwa moja iko wapi?
Ona baadhi. Ona nzo. Inatoshana na mtu.
Ebu unasema ni chune haka?
Sasa hata ukiwa mbali unaiona. Kama hii nzo vile imeweza. Hii imeweza.
Hiyo kubwa na kadogo yanguke chini.
Hawezi taka hiyo kubwa.
Hizi zote nipande.
Wewe upande kwa mpapai.
Unazungusha.
Ikikurukia macho.
Good.
Utaitana.
Hii imeiva.
Ikikurukia macho utaitana.
Hata nimeng'oa vibaya.
Iko sawa. Twende hiyo utakula, hizo zingine tutakuja kuchuna tu.
Baadaye juu ni mingi tu tukachuna ile machungwa tupitie hapa uchukue video.
Wewe ni baadhi hapo kwanza unapita.
Hizi
hebu angalia side ya kwangu.
Wewe.
Iko na mchezo. Zingine zinakomaa, zingine ndio zina flower.
Wow, hebu ona hii. Look at this. Look. Tuchune hii.
Chuna.
Hebu aone.
It's big. Karibu tutashana na popo.
Imagine the orange is bigger than the popo. Ukambani. Kambani, Machakos County. You say there is no, Machakos County is dry. See this Machakos County, this is ripe. I'm going to eat it right now. It's ripe, 100% ripe from the tree. This one is an orange, bigger than my hand, from Machakos. I'm going to eat it now. So, Machakos. Yeah? This is what we call old age riches. Yeah? Like, you're not struggling with money, you have food. Yes. Hey, no, come and see. Come and see. You see? This is an orange. It's ripe in the farm. Eh? I told you to be my friends. Eh? Now if you are my friend or you are my neighbor, look, you're my neighbor. Yeah?
Yeah.
You want a farm on this side, you can tell me. You can see? If you need a farm on this side, you can tell me. I'm going to look for you a farm. But you have to pamper a lot of money for you the next 10 years to be eating the way we are eating. Now, we are going to check on the farm to harvest. So you can see even if the maize and the beans are not doing well, people are still harvesting other things. You can see the oranges are many. Now let me show you something.
Winning.
Hey, guys, this machungwa will finish me up one day. Everything. This is the one in Nairobi. You are being sold one at 20 bob. Look, one at 20 bob. I'm here harvesting for free. To harvest nini leo utapata time?
Cassava.
See, to harvest. So guys, you can see the farm is a mixed farming. We have even cassava. Yeah? This is the cassava. They know cassava. This is the cassava leaf. So I think if we get time, we are going to harvest cassava. What? In the meantime, and now we had the workers had harvested the yellow beans and prepared them, like removed them from the suckers. Now we were sorting them and removing the excess dirt from it. We had planted the yellow beans and another one called nyota. As you can see, we were sorting out the yellow beans. Okay, yellow beans didn't do well. We got only around like 10 kg of yellow, not 10, was it 10 or 12 kg? But you can see for the nyota, we managed to get at least a whole sack, the big sack of beans. And these ones, it is just like we had replanted them, so that was like a good thing. It was like 100% profit, so that was good. For yellow beans, we had like planted 3 kgs and we got around 15, so that was good. So for me, in buying beans is until perhaps next year, or I don't know. I think I have enough beans to eat and give the people around me. Yes. Yeah, thank you. So at least you can see it was a busy day, but at least we managed to harvest the beans. So at the end of the day, this is what we managed to harvest. That you see the beans, the guavas, the maize, the bananas, the orange, the pawpaws, the cassavas, the lemons. Like we had more than enough to take home to our family. And all this we got it from our farm and our friend's farm. So we live like a family. We get things from both farms and then we get to share. So like today I was the one who was harvesting beans and we shared the beans. So we are feeding our family from the farm to the sufuria, and this was such a big harvest. This is what we managed to get for our family. I think and I know they will enjoy. And this was on a Saturday. I usually have my hair done at Amazing Star Salon along Lumumba Drive at Risambo. So my salonist is called Mercy. So if you go there, ask for Mercy. So she does an amazing job. So I decided to do Ghanaian with a Spanish at the end because I just wanted a simple hairstyle. So I just told her to do her thing. So I didn't give her any styles this time. So that was what she came up with, and I looked good, great hair. I loved the hairstyle and I loved everything. So I was happy to do my hair after a busy day at farm, washing it, treating it, and having it. I then passed by Vivo Kenya to check what they have, and I got this pink top. I've actually been looking for it from their store, so when I got it at Vivo at TRM, I was like, this is a must take. And then I got this pant. It was on offer. The waist was a bit big, but it was on offer. For those who know Vivo prices, this pant was going for offer at 1,100, all the way down from 4,500. So I was like, let me take it, and then I'm going to go and adjust the waist. Then I loved this burnt orange top also. I am at that era where it's better I get something expensive, quality, nice, than having too many clothes in the house for no good reason. So I took those two tops and that trouser, yeah, just to tell myself thank you for working hard. And after all that, I took myself for a solo date. I have decided that every month I'll be taking myself out, just me and myself out, just to go and just have a solo meeting and know how I am doing as a person, just to analyze my life and how I'm doing emotionally, physically, financially, just to have a meeting and appreciate myself, just no interruption. So I decided to have my meeting where I just took a milkshake, and then after that I headed home, and that was all for my month. At least I got myself some outfit and I went for a solo date, and I was happy about myself. And today after work I passed by, they are called Silky Secret. I wanted to, those are where they are found. I wanted to get my mom a shawl. This is a very nice shawl. Yes, she has been saying she's feeling cold, yeah. So these are very big and good shawl. It's red in color, but because it's at night, I don't know, it's a red in color, so I thought red would go with so many, because it's not the shouting red, it's more of maroonish, will go with so many color. So I got her this very big beautiful. It has very nice pattern, so I got her that. And then I passed by also Rakeri wigs, and I got her a wig. Yeah, she has to slay a wig so that at least she can slay. Yeah, and you know, at old age they don't have most of the time to go to salon. So I got her a wig. I'm not going to open it because, yeah, I cannot even fit it because I have my braids on. So guys, that's all for this video. So I got a very good wig for her and that shawl, so that at least I'm going home for a burial of my uka. So at least after the burial I can also give her this thing to cheer her up a bit. So bye till next time, kindly subscribe. Hello, now today is on Monday. It's a holiday. What I want to do is to make detergent, like we usually make the liquid detergent and jig, like after every 4 months. So the one that I made after 4 months is done. So I'm making jig. We usually make jig and soapless detergent to wash the surfaces, but to wash clothes we buy the jig from the supermarket. So I have all my chemicals here. Hope you can see them. So number one, I want to make the jig. The jig, I usually buy the one for just mixing the jig with water, like for 10 liters. So yeah, they cover very well. So this is the jig. I'll just mix it to 10 liters. So it's just for diluting. It's a concentrated. So this helps. We clean our surfaces with jig, so that it's, yeah. we have kids around. So number one, let's start with jik. So it's just a concentrated jik, and then you dilute it. So I usually do this in the bedroom so that it's easier to access the water. So let me, what do you call it? Let me mix to 10 liters. So just like that, we have 10 liters of jik. So we are done with making our 10 liters of jik. That one will take us also for the next 5 months. So number two, let me wash my hands. Number two, we are making 20 liters. I usually buy 20 liters of chemicals, like chemicals to make 20 liters of soap. So these are 20 liters. So what we are going to do, it's just simple, you mix everything. Don't ask me the name of the chemicals because I don't know. So we are going to mix everything apart from the color. The color we are going to put it aside, the color and the perfume. So for the color I chose green, for the perfume I chose lavender because lavender chases away roaches. So let's mix everything. So don't ask me the name of these chemicals, I don't know. You just go to the shop and say you need 20, how many, the liters that you want. Hope that is not color. Hey, because me, I'll cry. So I know some of you will be like, use groups, but yeah, I've made this mini for a very long time. And this is a good thing because tomorrow is on Tuesday, and we usually remove our garbage on Tuesday. So at least that's a good thing. Let me wash my hands first. The best thing about this, I'm doing this and then I go and take a shower. So that's why I've decided to do this thing, the first thing in the morning. So just like that, let me wash my hands again. And then now it's to mix. We first mix these ingredients. There are people who say you mix slowly by one, but I don't have that time. For me, I mix everything together, provided they are mixed. You have to do this in a well-aerated place because it smells bad. This is a soapless detergent that they sell. They sell what? They sell 5 liters at 200 or 250, and 20 liters of cook oil. No, 20 liters of detergent plus 10 liters of G costed me 690. Buying the chemicals. For those who would like to know where to buy the chemicals, at Quickmart OTC there is that kind of a veranda. Then you go upstairs, just the first floor, there is those chemical shops. They sell everything: jik, laundry detergent, machine wash chemicals for baking detergent, for fabric softeners, everything. And if this is a business idea for someone who doesn't have a job, you can go make and then sell to people around you. Or a good side hustle. I know of a friend whose this is their side hustle. They sell to colleague. Then you put like 10 liters of water, and then now you mix. Somebody told me to avoid it foaming, you just move it in one direction, but it will still foam because it is soap. So let's do this. Just follow the rule. Now, the last thing I'm just adding is the perfume. Yes, the perfume. I chose lavender. So the perfume, and just like that, we have made our 20 also more liters of soapless detergent. The idea is to ensure that everything dissolves and mix very well. So for the next 4 months, you will not see me here doing this. For the next 4 months, you will not see me around OTC area purchasing chemicals. So I also have this video of making the soapless detergent, like a standalone video in my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. Go and check it out. Support this girl. Subscribe. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. So, and we are done. We are done. We are done. We are done. Now let me package it. Now that I'm done, it's just to package it. Package the I'm telling you, it usually so conk that if you dare put a lot when you are cleaning, because for me it's not for selling, it's for household use. So if it is for selling, I know they dilute like more than this, but for me, because it's just for my family use, we just make it conk and we use it wisely. So mainly this is for cleaning the tires in the bedroom, the toilet, and the services. Just that. These are like 20 liters, and So these are 20 liters. This is a Jeep. Let me see. We usually have a lot of this to mitungi because we usually receive a lot of porridge. So that those are 20 liters, and you can see like I have like another 20 here. So and just like that, I'm done. So what I need to do, so you can see I've managed to get 40 liters of washing detergents. So I want to clean up here and then now go and take a shower. Bye. Black chocolate. Black chocolate. Black chocolate.
Not sure.
Yes, dark
Dark.
chocolate.
Dark.
Dark. Oh. Food. Pig chop. Lamb chop. Pork chops. Buffalo wings. Oh, that was a buffalo. It was not a.
Banana bread.
Banana bread.
Yes. I got
Banana
it.
bread.
I got it first. I got it. Yeah, it's the steam versus
Banana bread.
Yeah.
Let's do a champion. Daddy's team versus mom's team.
I have pancake or apple pie. I will go for either.
I'll go for pancake.
Pancake, yeah.
Pancake. Apple pie. Apple pie. Cake.
Which food is this?
Moon pie.
Moon pie. Eh.
Kuna kitu kama moon pie.
Yes.
Ai.
Very small one.
That's moon pie.
Okay.
This food is moon pie.
Maybe at least I know that one
Guess
exists.
the food by the emoji.
Corn?
Corn dog.
Corn dog.
Corn dog.
Hakuna food kama corn dog. Corn cat.
Corn dog.
Corn dog, yes! I win!
Yes.
Ini? Nut.
Walnuts.
Eh?
Walnuts.
Eh?
Walnuts.
Oh, walnuts. Okay.
Walnut. Unasema hiyo walnut.
Man, Daddy's team won.
Yeah, walnut. You guys win. Chicken pie, chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings. No, I say. Mnanibia.
Sasa said ikitokea tu.
Chicken wings.
Okay.
Coco knows that you can find
Popsicles.
The first one. Yes. The first row. That.
The third one is the odd one out.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
Yes! Look at this team, we're winning!
Be careful on this one.
Sweet corn.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Niseme candy corn. Ninaona kitu kama candy corn.
Sweet corn.
Ninaona kitu kama candy corn. I almost said candy.
Hey, it's candy corn. Hey.
Candy corn.
Hey.
Kumbe ni ukweli.
Hot pie. Coffee pie. Coffee pie. Coffee pie.
Coffee.
Coffee cake. Ama coffee pie.
Coffee cup.
Coffee.
Cake. Hot coffee. Chocolate.
Cup. Ini?
Jelly bells.
Eh?
Gummy bears! Gummy
Oh,
bears!
gummy bear, yeah.
Gummy bears!
Gummy
Gummy
bear.
bears! Gummy bears! Gummy bears!
Yes, gummy bear.
Gummy bears!
How would I know?
Oh, gummy bear. Whoa. Ay.
What is this?
Cloud sweet.
Hiki kinaitwa aje?
Cloud sweet.
Eh,